by 1. So this is my x of t. I have to sketch x of t minus 1 first. I have to sketch x of t minus 1 first. So that means the signal will be shifted 1 unit. This signal will be shifted 1 unit to the right hand side. This signal will be shifted 1 unit to the right hand side. So 0 will go to 1, 2 will go to 3. 0 will go to 1, 2 will go to 3. 1 unit shifting is there. How much shifting is there? 1 unit shifting is there. What is the shifting duration? 1 unit. So 0 has come to 1, 2 has come to 3. Okay. Now after that, second step is time scaling. Second step is time scaling. So the factor here is 3. The factor for time scaling is 3. So we know that 3 is getting multiplied with t. So we have to divide. So 1 divided by 3, 1 by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 1 divided by 3, 1 by 3. And 3 divided by 3, 1. So this is how our signal is compressed. This is how our signal gets compressed. Right now here the duration is 2. यहाँ पे आपका duration 2 है और यहाँ पे आपका duration आ गया 0.66. यहाँ पे आपका duration आ गया 0.66. So amplitude remains same. Amplitude will not change. So this is how we have done the time scaling. And third step is folding. Okay. Now one important point while doing the folding, from 1 by 3 it is increasing. So here also from 1 by minus 1 by 3 it will increase. So in case of folding, 1 by 3 will go to minus 1 by 3, 1 will go to minus 1. So this is how we can perform the folding. 1 by 3 will go to minus 1 by 3, 1 will go to minus 1. So इस तरीके से आपकी folding हो गई. So this is our final answer. Okay. चलो अगर if you have not understood, we will try to see next question so that you can understand. Okay, next question is 2x of 2t plus 1. This is our x of t. This is our x of t. So first what we have to do? First we have to do the shifting. As per precedence rule, first we should do the shifting. That means we should sketch x of t plus 1. Then second, to this signal we have to do the scaling. That means x of 2t plus 1. Then there is no folding here, no problem. Don't do unnecessary folding. If folding is available, then only you should do the folding. In the question, minus is not written, minus 2t is not written. That means no folding operation. जबरदस्ती से फोल्डिंग करने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर दिया है तो ही फोल्डिंग करो, अदरवाइज स्टूडेंट जबरदस्ती फोल्डिंग करते, जबरदस्ती करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट 2 is the amplitude scaling. Next step is 2 is the amplitude scaling. So 2 into 2x of t, 2t plus 1. If it is given in the question, then you should perform, otherwise no need to perform additional operations. Okay. So this is my x of t. 0, 2. This is x of t. So first time shifting. So plus 1 is there. How much is the unit? Plus 1. Plus 1 is, so we have to subtract. So 0 will go to minus 1, 2 will come to 1. Plus 1 है तो opposite करना है. You have to do the opposite thing. Here it is plus 1. So do minus 1. So 0 minus 1 minus 1. 2 minus 1 1. So this is the x of t plus 1 signal. This is the time shifted signal. Then scaling. Factor is 2. Time scaling. Factor is 2. So divide. Here it is 2 into t. So opposite will be 2 divided by 2. So 1 divided by 2 is 1 by 2. Minus 1 divided by 2 is minus 1 by 2. So this is how my signal gets compressed. So this is the time scale version of my signal. Amplitude remains same. Amplitude is 2 here. Amplitude is 2 here. Okay. The last step is amplitude scaling. So 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. 2 is written. यहाँ पे opposite नहीं करना है. Last step में opposite चीज नहीं करना है. In case of amplitude scaling, we are not doing any opposite thing. So 2 into 2, 4. In case of amplitude scaling, don't do the opposite thing. You multiply as it is. Amplitude will be multiplied as it is. So 2 into 2, 4. And this is how my signal will look like from minus 0.5 to 0.5. Okay. Yes, correct. Okay, so one more question. Next question is we have to sketch x of minus t minus 2. So I will give you some time. You can apply some thought process. This is x of t signal. We have to sketch x of minus t minus 2. Okay, minus 4 to minus 2. Signal will be present from minus 4 to minus 2. Okay. Minus 4 to minus 2. Okay. Okay, minus 4 to minus 2. What about other students? Some of the students have got the answer as minus 4 to minus 2. Okay. So as we have to sketch x of minus t minus 2, as we have to sketch x of minus t minus 2, so first step is time shifting. That means my first signal will be x of t minus 2. Then, is there any scaling factor? No. With t, nothing is multiplied. With t, nothing is multiplied. With this t, nothing is present. No constant is present. That means no time scaling. No time scaling. Simply, we have to do the folding. So, x of minus t minus 2. So, this is the two-step problem. This is a two-step problem. No time scaling. Because no constant is present with t. ओके सो -2 यहाँ पे -2 है तो हमको 2 यूनिट्स राइट साइड में शिफ्ट होना है, +2 करना है, अपोजिट थिंग. सो 0 + 2 2, 2 + 2 4, 0 + 2 2, 2 + 2 4. So this is the time shifted signal. I hope you don't have any difficulty in time shifting. Shifting means simply the signal will shift from one place to another place. How you will identify shifting? If we are subtracting some constant with t, plus or minus some constant with t, this indicates time shifting. This thing indicates time shifting. T plus or minus some constant indicates time shifting. Okay. Then second step, no time scaling. So directly we have to go for the folding. So as now here also you should be careful. From 2 to 4 it is increasing in nature. From 2 to 4 it is increasing in nature. So from -2 to -4 it should be increasing in nature. Folding is always done with respect to y-axis. So it is increasing in nature. So here also it is increasing in nature from -2 to -4. So this is the final answer. Okay. So if you have understood, reply in chat box with B. Up to this, if you have understood, reply in chat box with B. ओके और अगर किसी को नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो आफ्टर द लेक्चर यू कैन वेट एंड यू कैन गेट इट अंडरस्टैंड. You can spend some time with me and I will explain you after the lecture. Okay. So next, fourth part, what we have to sketch? We have to sketch 1.5 x of minus 2t. 1.5 x of minus 2t. This is my original signal, x of t. So now you can see that here no shifting is there. t से कुछ भी हम प्लस या माइनस कांस्टेंट नहीं कर रहे हैं, कोई कांस्टेंट नहीं कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. So no time shifting. Directly we have to go for the scaling because there is a factor 2. No time shifting here. Directly we have to follow the time scaling. So 2 is the factor. So 2 into t. So we have to divide. So 0 divided by 2 0. 2 divided by 2 1. So this is how we have done the time scaling. This is my original signal. This is the original signal. यहाँ पे शिफ्टिंग प्रेजेंट नहीं है. ये सिग्नल हमको स्केच करना है. ये सिग्नल हमको स्केच करना है, यहाँ पे कोई भी शिफ्टिंग प्रेजेंट नहीं है, नो शिफ्टिंग इज प्रेजेंट हियर, तो डायरेक्टली वी हैव टू डू द स्केलिंग. Precedence rule is time shifting, time scaling, folding, time shifting, time scaling, folding. This is the precedence rule. So directly we have to go for the time scaling here. Factor is 2, so divide 0 divided by 2 0, 2 divided by 2 is 1. So this is a time scaled version. Now folding of this, so again from 0 to 1 it is increasing in nature. So from 0 to -1 it should be increasing in nature. फोल्ड करना, फोल्डिंग नाम सीधे पता था इसका, फोल्डिंग मतलब फोल्ड करना विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वाई एक्सिस, सिग्नल को फोल्ड करना विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वाई एक्सिस. सो वी हैव डन द फोल्डिंग ऑफ दिस. सो दिस इज फोल्डेड. Those who were absent yesterday, folding means simply we have to fold with respect to y axis. So this is x of -2t, but we have to sketch 1.5 into x of -2t. So before any signal, if some constant is present, that is nothing but amplitude. Before any signal, if some constant is present, that is nothing but amplitude. So we have to multiply by that factor 1.5. So 2 into 1.5, 3. So this is the final answer. This is the final answer. Okay, so I think most of the students are getting answer, but still, if some students are not getting what I am explaining, because these are very simple things. Once you have understood, very easy to solve such type of questions. Okay, now fifth question is x of -1 minus 2t, x of 1 minus 2t. So here you have to be careful. First of all, you have to do some arrangement. X of 1 minus 2t can be written as x of minus 2t plus 1. X of minus 2t plus 1. We know that -3 plus 5 can be written as 5 minus 3. We will get the same answer, 5 minus 3. So same way here also, we have to write properly. 1 minus 2t can be written as minus 2t plus 1. Okay. Well, after that it is simple. First we will do the shifting, that means x of t plus 1. Second step will be scaling, that means x of 2t plus 1, and third step will be folding. That's it. And third step will be folding. X of minus 2t plus 1. That's it. Okay, shifting. X of t plus 1. Shifting, पहला step shifting. +1 है, अपोजिट करना है. +1 का अपोजिट क्या होगा? -1. So 0 minus 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1 1. So this is a shifted signal. Time shifting. You must write properly time shifting. First step is time shifting. Okay. Second step scaling. Factor is 2 into t. Factor is 2t. Factor is 2t. Okay. Most of the students are getting answer -1.5 to 0.5. Okay. 2t. तो 2 से मल्टीप्लाई है, सो हमको डिवाइड करना है. 1 डिवाइडेड बाय -1 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 -1/2. 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 इज 1/2. So this will be the scaled signal. This is the scaling signal. Simple scaling. Amplitude in every case remains same. Amplitude in every case remains same too. Okay. And after that folding. इसकी folding. So आप देखेंगे 0.5 जाएगा -0.5 पे, -0.5 will go to 0.5. 0.5 will go to -0.5. And -0.5 will go to 0.5. So 0.5 has come to -0.5, -0.5 has come to 0.5. Now my signal is increasing here. So the folding of this is this. -0.5 बन गया आपका, -0.5 बन गया आपका 0.5. And your 0.5 has become become minus 0.5. तो माइनस 0.5 से 0.5 इंक्रीजिंग था, तो इधर 0.5 से माइनस 0.5 इंक्रीजिंग रहेगा एंड एम्पलीट्यूड रिमेन सेम 2. So this is the answer for this signal. Okay. As I am getting answer in the chat box, so I feel that students are getting these questions. Still, if you are not getting, you can wait after the class. I will explain you again. So I will just move forward. So next is question is one x of n is given 2 1 5 minus 2 3. 2 1 5 minus 2 3. So ये चीजें क्या है 2 1 5 minus 2 3. Tell me first what is this 2 1 5 minus 2 3. Amplitude. These are nothing but the amplitude. 2 1 5 minus 2 3 are the amplitude. Amplitude is present on y-axis. Amplitude is present on y-axis. Amplitude is present on y-axis. These are the amplitudes. Okay. Then arrow indicates n equal to 0. Arrow indicates n equal to 0. On the right hand side of arrow 1, n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3. On left side of arrow n equal to minus 1. Simple. Okay. So I will just sketch x of n. This is the sketch of x of n. Amplitudes were 2 1 5 minus 2 3. In the question amplitudes were 2 1 5 minus 2 3. ये आपके amplitudes से question में 2 1 5 minus 2 3. So this is a sketch of x of n. Okay. Now what we have to sketch? We have to sketch x of minus 2 and minus 2. So first step will be shifting. That means x of n minus 2. Second step will be scaling. That means x of 2n minus 2. Third step will be folding. That means x of minus 2n minus 2. We have to follow the precedence rule. Okay. So first time shifting. Time shifting. So minus 2 is written. What is written? Minus 2. Opposite. Minus 2 का opposite हो गया plus 2. So minus 1 plus 2 1. 0 plus 2 2. 1 plus 2 3. 2 plus 2 4. 3 plus 2 5. So my sequence is shifted right hand side by 2 units. 2 units right hand side shift. 2 units shift on right hand side. Okay. Then next scaling. Scaling will be interesting. Okay. So now the factor is 2. The factor here is 2. The factor here is 2. So we have to do the division. So 1 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2, 3 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2, 5 divided by 2. But 1 upon 2 is 0.5. 1 upon 2 is 0.5. And we know that n should always be an integer. N should always be an integer. N should always be an integer. So 0.5 is not allowed. 0.5 is not allowed. So this sample will be deleted after scaling. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So which is allowed? Because 1 is an integer. 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. Again, 1.5 is not allowed. Fraction is not allowed. So this sample also gets deleted. 4 divided by 2 is 2, which is allowed. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. Again, fraction is not allowed. So these 3 samples get deleted after time scaling. So we will be left with only 2 samples. 1 and 2. Put present at 1 and 2. So this is the time scale version of my signal. Any doubt, anything? ये 3 सैंपल्स डिलीट हो जाएंगे. आपके पास सिर्फ 2 सैंपल्स बचेंगे. 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 कितना होता है 1. 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 1. तो ये 2 पे कितना एम्पलीट्यूड था 1 था, तो 1 पे आपका एम्पलीट्यूड आ जाएगा 1. 1 पे आपका एम्पलीट्यूड आ जाएगा 1, ठीक है। देन 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 इज 2। 4 पे कितना एम्पलीट्यूड था? एट 4 वी हैव एम्पलीट्यूड, एट 4 वी हैव एम्पलीट्यूड -2, एट 4 we have amplitude -2, so at 2 we have amplitude -2, at 2 we have amplitude -2, okay. Next is folding, so 1 will go to -1, 2 will go to -2, 1 will go to -1, 2 will go to -2, so this is the folded version of my signal। 1 चले गया -1 पे और 2 चले गया -2 पे। 1 पे कितना एम्पलीट्यूड था? 1, so -1 पे एम्पलीट्यूड 1, at 2 we have amplitude -2, so at -2 we have amplitude -2, okay, at -2 we have amplitude -2। Now important point, how you will write the sequence for this in curly bracket। इसके लिए आप curly bracket में sequence कैसे लिखेंगे? We have to start from the left side, we have to start from the left side, from left side amplitude is -2, then amplitude is 1, after that at 0 position amplitude is 0, and here you should show the arrow, here you should show the arrow, so this is how you should write the sequence, this is how you should write the sequence, okay। Next, 2x of 3n plus 1, okay, I want to see how many of you can solve this, I will give you some time, I want final answer। आदित्य पांडेकर उशिरा जॉईन करतो मीटिंगला, उन्नती 30 मिनिटं उशिरा। Anyone got the answer? 10, 10, 10, right। इतना मुश्किल क्वेश्चन नहीं है। 10, 10, ओके। 6, 7, 7 students got the answer as 10। Okay, 9 students got the answer as 10, 10 students। Yes, 10 is the answer। Yes, Aarti, you can unmute and tell what is the problem। 10, 10, 10। Okay, first shifting, that means x of n plus 1, plus 1 is there, so we have to shift the sequence on the LHS by 1 unit। ये जो पूरी सीक्वेंस है 1 यूनिट से इस तरफ शिफ्ट हो जाएगी, सो -1 will go to -2, 0 will go to -1, 1 will go to 0, 2 will go to -1, 3 will go to 2, एक यूनिट से या साइडला सरकणार, एक यूनिट से इस तरफ शिफ्ट हो गई, ठीक है। उसके बाद स्केलिंग, फैक्टर फॉर स्केलिंग इज 3, फैक्टर फॉर स्केलिंग इज 3, फैक्टर फॉर स्केलिंग इज 3, 3 इज द फैक्टर। सो डिवाइड करो, 2 -2 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, 3 इज 0.66, -0.66 माइनस 1/3, सो ये वैल्यू डिलीट हो जाएगी, ये वैल्यू डिलीट हो जाएगी। 0 divided by 3 is 0, so this value will remain as it is. 1 divided by 3 is 1 by 0.33, 2 divided by 3 is 0.66, so this will also get deleted. So we are left with only one sample at origin. 4 samples get deleted, one sample will be there. And after that we have to do the amplitude scaling. Factor for amplitude scaling is 2. Factor for amplitude scaling is 2, so 5 into 2, 10. So this is the final answer. This is the final answer. Okay, try for this one, fourth one, sorry, third one, 1.5 x of n by 2 plus 1. +1 म्हणजे पहिल्यांदा शिफ्टिंग, ही सिक्वेन्स लेफ्ट साइडला 1 युनिटने शिफ्ट होणार. इट विल शिफ्ट 1 युनिट ऑन RHS, or sorry, LHS, 1 unit on LHS. So -1 will go to -2, 0 -1 वरती, 1 0 वरती, 2 1 वरती, 3 2. So complete sequence gets shifted 1 unit on left hand side. 1 unit on left hand side. ठीक है, फिर यहाँ पे फैक्टर है 1/2 का, यहाँ पे फैक्टर है 1/2 का, राइट. 1/2 इज द फैक्टर, सो वैल्यू विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2. सो -2 इंटू, तो पहला स्टेप में ये शिफ्ट हो गया एक साइड, एक यूनिट से इस तरफ, एक यूनिट से इस तरफ शिफ्ट हो गया. सेकंड स्टेप, फैक्टर इज 1/2, n/2 is there, time scaling n/2 is there, so we have to multiply. So -2 into -4, 2 -4, so 2 पे -2 पे एम्पलीट्यूड था 2, so -4 पे एम्पलीट्यूड आ जाएगा 2, -4 पे एम्पलीट्यूड आ जाएगा 2. देन -1 पे एम्पलीट्यूड था 1, at -1 we have amplitude 1, so at -2 amplitude will be 1. 0 we have amplitude 5, at 0 we will have amplitude 5. At 1 we have amplitude -2, so at 2 we will have amplitude -2. At 2 we have amplitude 3, so at 4 we will have amplitude 3. Because of this factor 1/2 is the factor, so we have to multiply by 2. N we have to multiply by 2. Next, folding, I think what is amplitude scaling. So every value will be multiplied by 1.5. So 2 into 1.5 is 3. 1 into 1.5 is 1.5. 5 into 1.5 is 7.5. -2 into 1.5 is -3. And 3 into 1.5 is 4.5. So this is how we will get the final answer. Okay. And fourth part of the question is 4x of n plus 1 divided by 2. हाँ, नेक्स्ट पार्ट है 4x ऑफ n plus 1 divided by 2. नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज 4x of n plus 1 divided by 2. तो इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम? 4x of n by 2 plus 1 by 2, और जब हम शिफ्टिंग करेंगे when we will do the shifting, so every value will be shifted 0.5. So this type of question is not possible. This type of question is not possible because we cannot shift by 0.5 unit. Shifting should also, for discrete time, n means discrete time. For discrete time we have to do the shifting. For discrete time we have to do the shifting with integers only. We cannot do the shifting with 0.5 fraction. So this type of question is not possible. Okay. Then some simple questions, some simple operations like addition operation. So addition is done position by position. Addition is to be done position by position. That means depending on the n value, we have to do the addition. Next operation is addition operation. Addition, subtraction, multiplication is done position by position. n की वैल्यू देख के बरोबर से पोजीशन बाय पोजीशन वी हैव टू डू द एडिशन. Suppose we have the sequence x1n, amplitude is 1, amplitude is 2, 0, 1. We have another sequence x2n, we have another sequence x2n. For example, it has at -1 it has amplitude 1, at origin it has amplitude 0.5, at 2 it has amplitude 2. Okay, these two are the sequence. At 1 nothing is given, that means amplitude is 0. At 1 amplitude is 0. Okay, these two are the sequence and we have to perform the addition, that means x1n plus x2n. So addition, subtraction, multiplication is done position by position. Addition, subtraction, multiplication is done position by position. So -1 पे x1n को amplitude 0, x2n has amplitude 1, so 0 plus 1, 1. So in the final answer at -1 position, in the final answer at -1 position, at -1 position addition will be 1. At 0 position x1n has amplitude 1, x2n has amplitude 0.5, so 1 plus 0.5 that means 1.5. 1 plus 0.5 that means 1.5. At first position x1n has amplitude 2, x2n has amplitude 0, x1n has amplitude 2, x2n has amplitude 0, so 2 plus 0 that means 2. And at second position x1n has amplitude 0, x2n has amplitude 2, so 0 plus 2, 2. So this is how we have done the addition of two sequence. This is how we will do the addition of two sequence. Similarly subtraction, similarly multiplication for discrete time signal. For example, x1n is 1, 1. x1n is 1, 1, or let us say 1, 2. 1, 2. x2n is 2, 3 4 2 3 4 0 1 2. X axis is n. Okay, now we have to do the multiplication. We have to do the multiplication. X1n into x2n. So at 0 position, what is the amplitude? 1. At 0 position, what is the amplitude? 2. So 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 2, 2. At first position, what is the amplitude? 2. At first position, what is the amplitude? 3. So 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 3, 6. At second position, what is the amplitude? 0. At second position, what is the amplitude? 4. So 0 into 4, 0. So 0, 1, 2. So the multiplication results into 2 into 2 comma 6. This is how we can do the multiplication operation. Chalo, x1 and x2n की subtraction. Anyone tell me the subtraction result? x1n subtraction with x2n sequence. Again, this multiplication, addition, subtraction is done position by position. We have to see the value of n at 0. We have to see the value of n at 0. 0 पे क्या वैल्यू है वो देखना है और मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 1 पे क्या वैल्यू है वो देखना है और मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 2 पे क्या वैल्यू है वो देखना है और मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सिमिलरली अगर सब्सट्रैक्शन करना है तो 0 पे क्या वैल्यू है, 1 पे क्या वैल्यू है, 2 पे क्या वैल्यू है, ये चीज देखना है और सब्सट्रैक्शन करना है. सो इन x1n here amplitude is 1, 0 पे amplitude 1, 0 पे amplitude 2. So 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1. At first position amplitude is 2, amplitude is 3. So 2 minus 3 minus 1. At second position amplitude is 0. At second position amplitude is 4. So 0 minus 4 minus 4. So our answer is minus 1 minus 1 4. So this is the result of subtraction. So remember this point: addition, multiplication, subtraction is done position by position. n ची व्हॅल्यू 0 वरती काय, n ची व्हॅल्यू 0 वरती काय, कोणतं पण ऑपरेशन असेल, ऍडिशन, सबट्रॅक्शन, मल्टिप्लिकेशन करून घ्यायचं. सिंपल ऑपरेशन्स आर देअर. Division as such, division operation is not there. Division operation is not present. Division type of operation is not there. We cannot divide two signals. We cannot divide two signals. We can do only addition, subtraction and multiplication.